Welcome to PsyKindle. Today we will enable you to understand the 8 things men want from women in their lives. What do women want? A question that everyone is familiar with for ages. But in a relationship, men are the other half of the equation. But has anyone wondered, what do men want? Often, men suffer in silence if their emotional needs are left unfulfilled and they have nowhere to go. We at PsyKindle have compiled a list of 8 things men expect from their partners. Number 1. Appreciation. Right from childhood, men are expected to perform their duties without any expectations of appreciation. Being a man, it is given that he has to provide for his family. Although we are not vocal about it, deep down we want to feel acknowledged. We want to feel appreciated for the smallest of the things we do. When you praise us, we know that we are doing a good job. Number 2. Respect. For us, respect is equal to love. We all make our choices and live by them. We are who we are. There are things that are hardwired into us and they reflect in our everyday life choices. We want you to respect us for our inherent qualities, our professions, our sacrifices, and all things that form the very core of our existence. If you cannot respect our path, it can create a distance between us. Number 3. Share our enthusiasm. We totally love it when you take interest in our interests. We might be passionate about watching sports, working out, outdoor adventures, or any other hobbies. When you start showing interest, it strengthens the connection between us. You become our partners in crime, rhythm, and rhyme, and doing things together is always fun. Number 4. Take charge of things. We men are accustomed to being in the driver's seat. Take care of the expenses, plan vacations and dates to be good in bed, tend to everyone's need, and so on. But every once in a while, we won't mind if you put us in the back seat. Take charge of things, initiate sex, take us on adventures, surprise us. Role reversal can always be good. Number 5. Be our abditory. Men don't cry. Crying is for the weak. From an early age, this has been drilled into us. So much that we've forgotten it's okay to express our worries, fears, or shed tears. As our partners, we expect you to be our abditories. A place that tells us it's okay to be vulnerable, where we can share our worries, complain without being judged or perceived as weak. Even the toughest of men cry. The solace that we get in your company will give us the strength to win our battles. Number 6. A sexual connect. Not all of us are into sex only to satisfy lust. For most of us, sex is a means to perform a deep emotional bond. We express our love for you through sex. It conveys our true feelings where words can fail. So, when we reach out to you, your reciprocation makes us feel loved. Just like you find a connection with words, we connect through sex. Number 7. Respect our space. We love your company. Having you by our side is one of the greatest pleasures in life. But we need our space too. We need room to breathe, spend time with our friends, chase our goals, accomplish things. Crouching on our space can make us feel suffocated. And it is a sure shot way of pushing us away from you. So, let us breathe and we will come back to you. Number 8, a sense of security. Yes, we do crave a sense of security in our relationships. The confidence that you give us will help us open up to you more. When you approve of our life goals, our choices, give us space and a surety that you are always there for us, it liberates us to accomplish more in life. Be it social conditioning or for lack of words, men are unable to express themselves. However, men too deserve to be expressed. The points mentioned in the video will help women understand their partners better and make life easier for men. We sincerely hope this video makes a difference in your lives. Share your thoughts in the comment section below. And do not forget to like, share and subscribe to Psy Kindle.